I'm dripping, I step in my socks, got Gucci gang up on them. Dripping them, dripping. Squeeze the fire, make them back, 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 back.
All right, hey y'all. It is child, it is not the morning anymore. It is 12:32 p.m. currently. I am sitting here at my kitchen table editing this makeup tutorial. And waiting on my friend because we supposed to be going to IKEA, but she's at her mama's house for the week, and apparently she is still locked and loaded at the house. So you know how that goes when you're with your mama and all of a sudden her arms and legs stop working. So I know she told me her hair isn't done. She feels a type of way about her hair not being done. If you don't know me, I don't care. You gonna get whatever you get. So she may or may not be in the actual vlog. You might see a hand or two, but just don't even worry about it because yeah, she she is not with it. I personally don't need anything from IKEA right now. I do plan on moving soon, and by soon I mean once my lease is up, but I have some months for that. So I've been looking at stuff online, different stores, but I really go to IKEA for fun, so I don't mind tagging along at all. And she's really dope, so I like spending time with her. We play all day long, okay? Y'all know IKEA has some bomb food, and it's cheap. I don't know if people really know that, those plates and the snacks in IKEA, they hit. Take my word for it. Go try it and be like, oh my God, Trish, you told me the food in IKEA was slapping. I'm gonna be like, I told you so. I told you. I will be at my mom's house later on this evening. I got my suitcase is partially packed, but I still have some cleaning to do, some tidying up to do, some vacuuming. I got black eyeshadow in my carpet from one of my palettes that broke only on the black eyeshadow. That's the only one that broke. And I didn't know it was broken until I opened it, and it just kind of crumbled over my carpet, and I was distressed. I'm still a bit distressed about it. So look, I've dusted it up from the carpet, but I still need to clean it. And I'm probably going to pay just to get another carpet clean. Because I don't do dirty carpet, y'all. I just really don't. It makes my flesh crawl in the wrong places. So that's not obviously going to get done today, but I am going to, like I said, do some tidying up. I'm going to IKEA with Tavia. Then I have to pick up some stuff from the beauty supply. Your girl is out of lashes. So yes, I guess I will see y'all at IKEA. Want to bring you with me? See ya.
ice. I'm dripping, I step in my socks, got Gucci gang up on. Dripping them dripping. Squeeze, defy, make them back, 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 back. She got fleas, she fly, she's a nat, 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 nat. I'm on, I get high, she on batch, I can't match.
I always keep like water in the car and in the house. I just keep water everywhere. And I forgot I bought this one. It was just rolling all up in my front seat like every time I made a turn. But the dope part is now that it's cooler outside, you can leave your water in the car and it's like, ooh, great, awesome. Go straight to the cup. You ain't got to put it in the fridge, put some ice on it. You can just drink it if that's what you go for. I go for the no ice type of water, but yeah, don't be afraid to leave your water in the car during these temperatures. Hey, we made it. I think Tavia parked on a different side, but I'm so ready. I freaking love IKEA. I just visualize everything I want when I finally get my house in the future. Like, ooh, yes. This sofa is not uncomfortable. Like, it's leather, but it's not horrid leather, you know? It's the kitchen of my dreams every time. They never switch this one up. Look at this gray.
With the gold.
Ugh.
That's amazing.
This green though. OMG. And I like that, what is that, like a vent?
Yeah, that's like the new thing.
I love that. Ugh. Come on, dark hunt. This is a hunter green. Y'all, we used to live like this in college. Desk underneath, bunk bed on top. Like, no, it is, but no guardrail existed. And I promise you, I slept in faith every single night. Like, oh my God, I'm triggered. The ghetto was what it was. So I told Tavia, I can put my wigs on this and just spin it around and see what I choose for the day. Do we want brunette? Or do we want the blonde? Choice is yours. I know I'm thinking about it, but I probably won't. Just clip and go. Wow, the possibilities are endless. So Tavia went to the bathroom, so I'm literally just roaming around. They got all the Christmas stuff out and it smells like pumpkin and spices and apple in here. It's also the area where all the boxes are. I'm kind of tired. I want to go home and relax, but I gotta stop at Walmart. I need to get something to eat. I have like nothing to eat in the house. As I can see, I'm having some hormonal breakouts, but mind your business. I will check back in with y'all later. I've made a lot of piss poor decisions in my life, but coming to Walmart the day before Thanksgiving has to take the cake. I mean, how dumb can I be? But I need what I need, and that's my fault for waiting to the last minute. But oh my God, I am saying a prayer walking up to this door because people were getting booked in this parking lot, and I almost lost my religion. All right, y'all. As you can see, it is dark. I went home, ate my dinner, recuperated a little bit. And yeah, now I'm on my way to my mom's for Thanksgiving. I'm not sure. I don't think I'm gonna do too much vlogging tomorrow because I'm trying to enjoy the moment, my family and all of that good stuff. So I did want to do this today though, just because I stopped in Panera and got a smoothie. This is the blueberry peach. It's alright. I'm real upset because Smoothie King was closed when I rolled up, and it was not closing time. But you know what? It's the holidays. People trying to go home and be with their little boo or whatever, their family, so I get it. But is this my apple, kiwi, kale? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. It'll do, though. I didn't want any heavy soup or anything this late at night. I had Subway earlier. I just haven't had that much of an appetite. And I know that's weird to say around like Thanksgiving, but it is what it is. So yeah, I think I'm going to end the vlog here because I'm going to be at my mom's house, and I'm really just gonna relax and do my thing per usual when I go to my mama's house. So make sure that you guys thumbs up this video if you liked it. Helps your girl out a lot. Make sure you subscribe to the Trice Tribe so you never miss a video from me. I'm trying to be out here, okay? We trying to form an alliance. So make sure you're a part and hit that subscribe button, okay? And yeah, happy Thanksgiving to you all. If this goes up after Thanksgiving or it's not around that time, I hope you had a good Thanksgiving, okay? I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.